dry wind up from Europe. We're bringing our warmth in from the Atlantic. This is no exception. There is cloud in it. It's not particularly organised. It doesn't look like a band of cloud bringing rain, and it's not, to be honest. It's just moisture that's gone up into the sky and turned into cloud, and sadly is spoiling some people's afternoon, and particularly if you're on the coast of Cornwall or Wales or up in the hills, this cloud will be giving drizzle. But there are holes in it. There are great big stripes in it like this where the sun comes out. Most evident over Scotland, which you'll see in just a second. In Northern Ireland, I have to say, most disappointing. You might get 22 degrees in Belfast, but it'll be bright, not sunny. The atmosphere is actually bouncing over the hills, the highlands of Scotland, so you get blue, then you get a couple of miles of cloud, and then blue again. And the contrast from west to east in England and Scotland is quite dramatic. 60 to 70 west coast because of the cloud. Come inland, and particularly the east, where the sun really has been shining, you could get 24 or 25. Take London, for example, and 25 Celsius is 77 Fahrenheit. Too hot for cricket? Well, we'll find out, but who's complaining? I don't hear any so far. So for the first time for a long time, a balmy evening follows a very warm day, but overnight tonight, the cloud will fill in all the holes. It'll be quite a grey start tomorrow, and there's clearly blue gathering here. Blue, as you know, means rain in this case. That rain is an obvious line. Now, as it comes in, it'll change the weather, but ahead of it, a warm night, 14 or 15, sometimes rather close degrees. But as I say, this is a change in weather type. It's a cold front. Behind it, the air is colder, and it's moving in with tightening isobars, so a windy night tonight, possibly gales off the north coast of Scotland, but windy anyway. And behind it, the air's a little cooler. So during Tuesday, the front's still there. You can't see it, but it is still there. A spot or two of rain in North Wales and northern England. Behind it, the sun comes out to sunshine and one or two showers. Ahead of it, it's still warm, humid sunshine. In the middle, disappointment, maybe for Manchester tomorrow. For the rest of the week, but it's hard to sustain this, so it's, I'm afraid, going to be cooler and often cloudy. And so on that note, let's just leave in our minds warm sunshine today. Wednesday is behind me. I don't want to say too much about it because I think it would spoil the mood, but it's not as warm and it's not as sunny. That's it for me for now, Kate.
Thanks.
I hope you enjoy your